And welcome back. Today I just want to show you how you can install Tableau on your Windows PC, and in the next class we'll just move on to how we can make use of Tableau. So first you want to go to your browser and type Tableau Public download. Okay, there are two different Tableaus. There's paid version, there's free version. So Tableau Public is like the free version. So once you click on it, this tab, you're going to see create, and you can see download right there. So that is where you should download from, so that you can download the free version. All right, and then it's just going to ask me what I want to use for, and I can just click the drop down and say for personal use. I'm going to check the terms, and that's optional anyways, and just download the app. So it's just going to start downloading, and while it's downloading you can just decide to sign up on the website, because whatever we create in the desktop version, the downloaded version of Tableau, we'll need to save it, and if you want to save it, you have to save it on the website. Okay, so you have to sign up, register on that Tableau Public. Once it's done downloading, you can open the file and then proceed to install it. This is what Tableau Publics look like. Okay, so let's go back to the website. Let me show you. I'm going to sign into my personal account, but if you don't have an account, you sign up. Just click on sign up right here. Okay, so once I sign into my Tableau, you can see I'm currently signed in now. I can go back to the desktop version now to log in the account, so that the account is connected, and if I have a project I started working on that I want to continue, I can just open it from the website version. On the app, you can see here, we can just click on open from Tableau Public, and it's going to ask me for my login details, which is my user ID, email and password. All right, so that is the email and password you put in from the one you used to sign up. Okay, and then you can just sign in, and then we'll proceed from here in the next class.